On global news, it brings us to Credit Suisse and the troubles that are brewing over at the bank. It's turning out to be another volatile session for Swiss bank Credit Suisse, with its stock plummeting to a fresh all-time low. It's down about 24% in pre-trade. The fall in Credit Suisse stock comes on the back of reports that Credit Suisse's biggest backer, Saudi International Bank, has said that it will not provide further financial help to the bank. Trade in the bank's shares had to be halted several times because it made new lows. Remember, the Saudi National Bank acquired a 9.9% stake in Credit Suisse in 2022. But more importantly, the bank has been in focus in the last couple of days because it has announced that it had found material weaknesses in their financial reporting processes, both for 2022 and 2021. Let me take you across to my colleague Harsh from our research team to tell us what else is happening on this front. Harsh, this is more bad news coming from the banking space, and it seems like the fears of contagion are running deep, aren't they?
Well, yes, at least seems like it at the moment. Of course, wait and watch as to how it plays out. But let's try and take a little bit of a rewind, try and understand what's happening. The first piece is Credit Suisse in any case is down 75% over the last 1 year. So the stock has tanked really solidly, 98% from its all-time high, and it's down 30+% over the last 20+%, I beg your pardon, over today itself, and 40+% over the last 5 days. So it's already taken a bit of a battering. But let's talk about what's gone wrong, right? So we've seen around CS's largest investor, Saudi National, also coming out, and Saudi National holds around 9.9% stake in Credit Suisse. So, they've come out and said that they're not going to put any more money, and that's largely in line with what one can expect, because in any case the regulatory limit is 10%. So they can't go above, or they can't go to the 10% threshold because they're already at 9.9%. So they may not be able to really breach that limit in any case. The management has refused to comment as to whether it will require government assistance going forward or not. So that's one piece on the downside there. And the bank reported on Tuesday that there were material weaknesses with regard to its financial reporting, and the bank has already seen withdrawals of 110 billion Swiss francs in the fourth quarter alone. Now, of course, the bank has been marred by scandals, compliance failures, as well as legacy risks, and these withdrawals are not really aiding the bank in absolutely any way. So the dollar bonds of the bank has already plunged and moved towards distressed levels, and clearly that's where it's currently headed. Now, of course, the question is whether an investor comes in and saves it, or whether regulators come in and save it.
Well, the Saudi bank has definitely said they are not coming to the rescue of Credit Suisse at this point in time. Troubles are clearly mounting for Credit Suisse. We'll keep monitoring the situation. Harsh, many thanks for joining us.